Students, in this video we are going to see about the classification of ketones. Ketones are classified into two types. First one, aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. What is meant by aliphatic ketones? If the ketonic group CO group attached to the two alkyl groups on both sides called aliphatic ketones. And in case of aromatic ketones, if carbonyl group means functional group of ketone either attached to one alkyl and one aryl group, or which is attached to both aryl groups on both side of this ketonic group CO group, called aromatic ketones. These aliphatic ketones are further classified into two types. First one, simple or symmetrical ketones, and other is mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. So first we will see about the simple or symmetrical ketones. So what is mean by simple ketones, also called symmetrical ketones? If the ketonic group CO group or oxo group attached to the same alkyl groups R, CO, R. So R is nothing but alkyl group, and which is attached on the both the side of ketonic group. So this is the general formula of simple or symmetrical ketone, RCOR. If I take an example of this symmetrical ketone CH3COCH3, this is the acetone. The name of this ketone is acetone, or we can say dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone is nothing but acetone, and this is the symmetrical ketone because two same methyl groups attached on both sides of CO, and therefore this is the example of simple ketone. This acetone is used for a nail paint remover. The most popular use related to our daily life is nail paint remover. Acetone is used as a nail paint remover. Again, it is a solvent which is used for the different purposes. Now one more example is there. Instead of methyl, if we take a ethyl group C2H5 CO C2H5, two ethyl groups attached on both sides of CO group. The name of this compound is diethyl ketone. Diethyl ketone. Diethyl ketone is nothing but diethyl ketone is also a simple or a symmetrical ketone. So these are some examples of simple or symmetrical ketone. So if you observe two same alkyl groups attached on the both side of functional group of ketones C double bond O, we get different examples of simple or symmetrical ketone. Now next one, mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. So what is meant by mixed or unsymmetrical ketone? The meaning is here in the name of this ketone. Mixed means two different alkyl groups R, CO, R dash, means two different alkyl groups attached on the both side of ketonic group, we get mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. If we take an example of this mixed or unsymmetrical ketone, then we can write CH3COC2H5. So one methyl group CH3 group and other ethyl group, that is C2H5 group, different alkyl groups attached on both side of ketonic group, and therefore this is the example of mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. The name of this compound is ethyl methyl ketone. Alphabetically we can write ethyl first. So this is ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone is an example of mixed ketone. So if we take one more example, if C2H5 is attached on one side of CO group and on the other side 3 carbon containing alkyl group. So if we complete the valency of these 3 carbon according to its valency, we get its structural formula, and the name of this compound is C2H5 means ethyl, and this 3 carbon straight chain of carbon is a N-propyl group. So ethyl N-propyl ketone, ethyl N-propyl ketone is one more example of mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. So this is about the simple and mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. Many other examples are also there, but we'll see here few of them. Now second class of ketone is aromatic ketones. So what is meant by aromatic ketones? Aromatic ketone means two aryl groups attached on both sides of functional group of ketone. Aryl group means aromatic ring, or one alkyl and one aryl group attached on other side of functional group of ketone. We get the examples of aromatic ketones. So aromatic ketones means both aryl or one alkyl and one aryl group attached to the functional group of ketone, that is CO group. So if we take an example of aromatic ketone, suppose here this aromatic ring attached to this benzene ring attached to CO ketonic group, and on the other side same aromatic ring, benzene ring attached to the CO group. The name of this compound is benzophenone. This is benzophenone, or also called, this is C6H5 group. Actually this is C6H5 means phenyl group, and this is also phenyl group. So diphenyl ketone is also called benzophenone. So diphenyl ketone is a example of aromatic ketone. If we take one more example, is acetophenone, means one side of this CO group gets attached with benzene ring, and on the other side of this CO group CH3 group is attached. So this is the example of aromatic ketone, and its name is acetophenone. Acetophenone or methylphenyl. CH3 means methyl, C6H5 is phenyl, and CO group means ketonic group, ketone. Methylphenyl ketone is other name of this acetophenone. So this is about some examples of aromatic ketones. Aromatic ketones means if ketonic group is attached either two same aryl groups or one alkyl and one aryl group on the both side of CO group. So first example is benzophenone and other is acetophenone. So this one more information about this acetophenone is this acetophenone has a particular smell, and that smell is pistachio smell. This acetophenone has a smell of pistachio smell, and this due to this pistachio smell, it is used in, you know about it, Pistachio is ice cream, and many students like ice creams, so you must know about it. In pistachio ice cream, which ketone is present? Acetophenone. Acetophenone is the acetophenone has a smell of pistachio, and therefore it is used in ice cream, pistachio ice cream. Again, one more example is most important example, muscone. Muscone 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 muscone. In Marathi it is a kasturi. Muscone has a musky odor. You know the smell of kasturi, and this muscone has a musky odor or musky smell, and therefore it is used in the preparation of perfumes. So this muscone, ONE endings here. This ONE ending means it is a ketone. One more example of ketone, and which has a musky odor, very pleasant odor, and therefore it is used for the preparation of perfumes. Now one more example of this ketone is butane 2,3-dione. One more example of ketone is butane 2,3-dione. 2,3-dione. So how to write the formula of butane? Once we know the name, then how can we write the formula? But means arrange 4 carbon in straight chain and number the chain from both sides. We get the same formula. So at position 2, ONE means CO group is present, and at 3 position ONE, that is CO group is present. Now remaining valency complete by the hydrogen will get its correct structural formula. So butane 2,3-dione, this ketone is present in popcorn, and due to this butane 2,3-dione, popcorn has a butter flavor. It's popcorn, you know popcorn. So popcorn has a butter odor or butter flavor taste, buttery taste. This popcorn have a butter flavor or butter taste due to presence of this butane 2,3-dione ketone is present in this popcorn, and it is very interesting and very important in our daily life. So these are some examples of different ketones which play a very important role in our daily life.